Well, here it is. It's all finished and wired up. Obviously I haven't got the lid on yet. I'm going to do some more videos of showing you how to program various things, but it's very easy. If you're thinking it looks a bit messy in there, yes, I agree with you. It does, and it is. But there is a reason for that. I'll put a link in the description to the other video that explains why. If you like one of these panels, I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. More to follow. If you like this content, a thumbs up would be appreciated. A subscription to the channel, which is free, would be great as well. And as always, thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.